Good day, doctor. My name is Sathyaarubini Barathan. My material number is S71721. Today I'm going to show you how to do the data analytical for problem 4.5 in your assignment for accounting informatics system ACT3513.
Set the table for customer, inventory, sales and sales inventory. Click the view, click the design view. Save the table name as customer. In the table customer, have customer ID, customer name, city, state and credit limit. The data type for customer name, city, date is job text, and for credit limit is currency. Then we have to save the table, then move to create the for inventory. Also same. Click the view, click the design view, save the table as inventory. In the table inventory, have item ID, description, standard cost, list price and quantity on hand. Data type for item ID and description is short text. Data by standard cost and list price is currency. And for quantity on hand is number. Then save the table inventory. Next is create table for sales. We click the create the table view, then view, save the table name as sales. First invoice data type is short text. Next sales date, the data type is time. Salesperson type is short text. Customer ID data type is short text. Amount, currency and save it. Click the create table view, design view, save the table name as sales inventory. Data type for invoice is short text. Data item ID data type is short text. Quantity data type is number. Sales price data type is currency. Save it. Key in all the customer After keying the data, we have to create relationship between the four tables. Click the database, click the tool or relationship, and then table customer inventory and sales inventory. Here is the relationship between the tables and save it. Question 8. For which are there at least 100 units in quantity on hand? Click create, click the query design, choose the inventory table, double click the item ID description and quantity on hand. The criteria for quantity on hand is more than equal 100 ringgit and run it. This will be the answer for question A. Question B. What were the item number, price and quantity for each item sold invoice number 103? Choose the inventory and sales inventory table. Double click the invoice, item ID, sales price and quantity. The criteria for invoice is 103 and run it. It will be the answer for question B. Question C. Which customer made purchase from Martinez? Provide customer name, salesperson. Show the customer name only once even if they purchased from Martinez multiple times. Choose the table customer and sales. Double click the salesperson. Customer name. Criteria for salesperson is Martinez. Choose the properties. Look at the unique value, choose S and run it. This is the answer for question C. Question D. List invoice, sales date, salesperson, customer name and amount for invoice whose amount is more than 1,500. So the amount largest to smallest. Question E. Item ID, description, sales price, list price, quantity and compute the extension bracket sales price times quantities bracket for the item sold where the sales price is different than list price. Sort by the item ID and descending the order. Choose the table of inventory and sales inventory. Double click the invoice and item ID and description, sales price, list price and quantity. Create the blank field with the sales price times quantity. Criteria for sales price is symbol less than, more than, square bracket, less, list price. Click sort item ID as descending and run it. This will be the answer for question E. Question F. Compute the profit margin. Each item sold. Calculate the profit margin as sales price minus standard cost divide sales price. List invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price, quantity, and compute the profit margin. Sort by profit margin in descending order. Choose the table of inventory, sales, sales inventory. Double click the invoice and sales date in item ID, sales price and quantity in the blank field. Type bracket sales price minus standard cost divide sales price. Then click descending for the field and run it. This is the answer for question F. Question G. Compute the profit for each line of invoice. Calculate the profit as sales price minus standard cost times quantity. List invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price, quantity, and compute the profit. Sort by invoice in ascending, then profit in descending order. Choose the table of inventory, sales and sales inventory. Double click invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price and quantity. In the blank field, type bracket sales price minus standard cost bracket times quantity. To calculate the profit, click start of descending for the profit. click sort ascending for the invoice. And this is the answer for question G. Question H. How many sales transactions were made in October? Number your output, column, number underscore of underscore 6. Click create, click a query design, choose the table sales. First field type number underscore of underscore sales, colon count bracket asterisk. The second field type month bracket sales date. Criteria type equals to 10. Unclick this column. Since the question just want the output, the column number of sales is, and this is the answer for question H. Question I. How many customers live in Arizona? List the state and count of the customer. Choose the table customer, double click the state. In the blank type the customer colon, customer ID, click the symbol sum and click total. Total state is group. For count is customer count. Criteria for state is AZ and run it. This is the answer for question I. Question J. How many customers live in each state? List the state and count of the customer. Sort it by alphabetical by state. The table customer, double click the state. In the state new blank type, count of customer colon customer ID. Click the symbol sum, click the total of state is by group, and for count of customer is count, the sort of ascending for state and run it. This is the answer for question J. Question K. How much did each salesperson sell based on sales amount? List salesperson and total amount. Sort from largest total amount to smallest. Choose the table sales, double click the salesperson. In the next blank type amount, colon amount. Click the symbol sum and click total for salesperson is grouped by. For total amount is sum, sort by amount is descending. Run it. This is the answer for question K. Question F. How many units of each item were sold? List item ID, description and total sold. Sort on total sold and ascending the order. Close the table inventory, sales inventory. Double click the item ID, description and quantity. For the quantity, rename it total sale colon quantity. Click the symbol sum and click total. For total item ID and description is grouped by. For total sold is sum and sort ascending for total sold. This is the answer for question N.
Thanks for watching.